In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in HubSpot efficiently. Let's dive in and ensure that you have a smooth experience managing your contacts. First, we need to access HubSpot, the all-in-one software that supports your business operations effectively. Head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. If you already have it bookmarked, that's even better because it saves us a bit of time. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll find the Login button. Click on it and this will take you to the login page. If you haven't logged in recently, you'll need to enter your credentials, your email and password. Ensure you're logging into the correct account if you have multiple for work and personal use. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. Now, look for the section labeled CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's your main hub for managing leads, customers, and other relationships that are crucial to your business growth. Click on CRM to proceed. In the CRM section, you'll see various options, but our focus today is on contacts, because that's where we store and manage all our customer information. Click on contacts, and this will direct you to a list view of all your saved contact entries. Now comes the crucial part, selecting the contact you wish to delete. Browse through the list or use the search functionality provided if you have a specific person in mind. Simply type in their name or identifying detail, and once you spot the right entry, click on it to bring up their profile. With the contact profile open, you'll see a variety of options and details about this particular person. To proceed with deletion, look again towards the top of the interface or within the contact's actions menu, and you'll find the delete button. Click on delete, but remember this action is permanent, so double check that you've selected the correct contact. Accidental deletions are never fun and can lead to data loss, so take this moment as a final review. Once you click delete, HubSpot will prompt you to confirm your choice. It's a safety net to ensure that you really want to remove the contact from your records permanently. Confirm the deletion and voila, the contact is now removed from your database. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete contacts in HubSpot with ease. Managing your contacts efficiently not only keeps your CRM neat, but also ensures you have relevant data at your fingertips, helping you to make well-informed business decisions. Thank you for following along in this video guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.